Markin was here.
Because of him, where we come here.
You came here because of Afenyo Markin.
We don't do by election in hometown.
Why?
Hi guys, this is Fast on Ghana TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, Sofo Azorka, first chairman or vice chairman of the National Democratic Congress, guys, threatened the life of Alexander Afenyo Markin. Guys, according to Sofo Azorka, they purposely came to Akwetia to honor life Afenyo Markin. Guys, he came with the Azorka boys and threatened to organize another by-election in Efutu. Guys, Sofo Azorka was so angry, and because he was unable to unleash his anger on Alexander Afenyo Markin to unalive him, he went straight to attack the third vice chairman of the NPP. Guys,
and he comes straight to where I was granting the interview to attack me in the presence of the heavily police and then the security men.
We'll go into that conversation because this video is purposely focused on Sofo Azorka. Guys, this man is so irresponsible. This man is so chaotic. This man feeds on chaos. According to him, he's always hungry, all right, for violence.
Third vice politics in a on opposition. When say every MPP the oil violence, no man opposition. But or the bias media anytime you appetite of fight. Anytime you have appetite. Or nunca sanim. Or year MPP for ma on fano subai boni no over year NDC and pay for na ye ti ho. Who why? O small boy where why? Oh, kai masa. Oh why? Oh say I hot to see me oh bra masa. Oh why?
Guys, watch how Alexander Afenyo Markin reacted to this particular threat on his life by Sofo Azorka. Guys, before that, kindly appreciate what really resulted in this whole drama.
Markin was here.
Because of him, where we come here.
You came here because of Afenyo Markin.
We don't do by election in hometown.
Why? Why did you come here because of Afenyo Markin?
Fiang, why did he want here? Is it NDC? Is it NDC secretary? Is it NDC secretary? You are coming to our office to do what in our office? Asa, you people are journalists, talk to them. Here no be parliament that way they do no. Here is a freedom field. Yenya pre munja yenya pre pa munja.
Well, Chairman Azorka clearly unhappy and irate. Chairman Azorka, well, he says he's not taking it lightly. He actually said that he came here to meet Afenyo Markin squarely, who allegedly stormed the NDC office in Akwetia to remove some of their posters, and it's a really tensious atmosphere here. The process has largely been peaceful until this incident. A number of the party supporters have all thrown here at the party office in Akwetia.
Match today, NDC 41 Vice Chairman Sofo Azorka on radio and TV do Okasetiam also Bukum. Well, I am not sama. As I am the Onyina Azorka boys, I won't mind there. Wobrum Crofona, Okunkum Crofunti. I am the first time or threatened, but the young who until me brother me catch MPP paying far. One can extra time now. What about two? As in saying, full soldiers were ground. Until ma for Azorka and some kakan on ma obi inye not on trank on shed them there. Also, politics one far is showing yet was a kukudu. Young paying far was a party in Babazi or a JB down corner. Nature, but for what can they jail? What we were fiancé was a kukuduna was a yanti. My amobi ma in Humbi and by any when you dado. Zamen who are Kotia. ye youth ejumazem etuwacha wo ye no mu wenyi dado mu wojezi de 2028 ekro ye bayeni ntem na ye tu ye hu siwa nkunyimzi baba enti no merun jaha no mon konkan wa bra full soldiers wo han ma wo ye juma na mi panyin no maka de Sofo Azorka also boku menti mrugwan obokuma onkum na se nyimpa zi wa na ye na ambia enti no so onu wa honze na wozu kunyimpa so be it ye shall see many general secretary no pay ya go round so peacefully ya kwa ya yen agent na yen kasa police for ye won adwuma so far police for wa bo hon masin but inya ye mbo ho about to say sia what to abani wie na wo ye collation wie na bibia ya asomdwe a na asem de do bi o ha maka ache IGP but so far deployment why as on IGP no so ha nti ye hwede wo ba ma banko no ewie peye but so far it appears NDC funyim da wo lose nti what in hu bi na eyi na what is shankofo wo mu we kogu wenchi na wo boys pi wo gu no this one there wo be den wa na what in hu what is shankofo wo mu ahia ne ze yenye hufo I'm not assigning by accident.
Great threats on your life. I report to the police, sir.
Obi, me did there. The police, Obi was social media.
Yeah.
Now, Ocho Bibi, no police to make sure now. I expect the police to effect his arrest.
Yes.
Me police. Captain, no that. Nay, I should have gun and brano. Or you're selective and now there. It's irrespective of who. Because Obi Oko Sabe social media or cultural Bibia. What you watching? Police is a chairman or remand the Nazina. Only you know, the police. That if a whole minority leader, a deputy speaker of ECOWAS Parliament, MP for a Futu, could be threatened openly without full force. Not the police and Yamoshia. This is a gun of Winna, so your friend then, how the police react. But Obi, let me also say this. And I say this with a lot of hesitation. Young party in paying for respect.
So apparently, there are some allegations by some section of the NDC people from Akwitia, and they make certain claims that the New Patriotic Party's General Secretary and Alexander Afenyo Markin, who doubles as the minority leader of Ghana's parliament,